Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. The CFTC delivered a historic regulatory milestone, approving Bitcoin perpetual futures on US exchanges for the first time. Kalshi received formal commission approval for its BTC Perp contract on May 29th, while Coinbase Financial Markets secured staff-level relief, allowing institutional clients access to global derivatives through its regulated futures business. These approvals bring 80% of global crypto trading volume, previously confined to offshore platforms, into the domestic regulatory framework. Bitcoin continues consolidating near $73,521 after recording 9 consecutive days of ETF outflows, totaling $2.8 billion through May 28th. The largest single-day outflow hit $733 million, driven by a $528 million redemption from BlackRock's IBIT. Ethereum trades around $2,015, Solana at $82.30, and XRP holds $1.34. Hyperliquid gained major institutional validation after Intercontinental Exchange CEO Jeffrey Sprecher called the decentralized Perpetuals platform bigger than NASDAQ by trading volume, praising its 11-person team. Hype token hit a new all-time high above $67, with market cap exceeding $14 billion. Sprecher disclosed ICE met with Hyperliquid's founders multiple times and emphasized the regulatory gap between offshore venues and traditional exchanges. Stellar's XLM token surged 96% over 7 days, following the DTCC announcement that its tokenized securities platform will integrate with Stellar's network in the first half of 2027. The integration enables tokenized stocks, ETFs, and US Treasuries to settle on Stellar infrastructure. XRP also gained momentum after nearly 90 million tokens were withdrawn from exchanges, potentially signaling accumulation. SEC Chair Paul Atkins publicly stated he's confident Congress will pass the Clarity Act and President Trump will sign it into law. Senator Cynthia Lummis warned this represents the last legislative window until 2030 if the bill fails before midterm elections. The legislation faces floor math challenges requiring 60 Senate votes, with Democratic holdouts demanding stronger anti-money laundering provisions and ethics restrictions. JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon escalated tensions with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong over stablecoin rewards in the Clarity Act, calling Armstrong full of it and vowing banks will fight the current bill version. The dispute centers on whether crypto platforms should face bank-level regulation when offering yield on stablecoin deposits. Paxos Securities Settlement Company won SEC registration as the first blockchain-native firm authorized to clear and settle U.S. equities on blockchain infrastructure. Texas issued a request for proposals to move its $10 million strategic Bitcoin reserve from BlackRock's ETF to direct Bitcoin custody within 60 days. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent announced the U.S. has seized approximately $1 billion in cryptocurrency from Iranian entities linked to military operations since February. Gemini launched Command Center, an AI-powered prediction markets intelligence hub integrating SpaceX AI models. And Sui Network experienced its second consecutive day of network halts, sending the SUI token down 20% for the week. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.